So today I wanted to do a quick review on checking your credit score completely for free with Credit Karma. Now, I'm actually here on my iOS device, so you can actually see this here in real time, not just talking about this. So we're actually here on the For You page when it comes to our Credit Karma account, which, in case you didn't know, is completely free to go ahead and download and sign up for your account. Now, the caveat to having this account outside of it just not being, any cost to you is that they will kind of bombard you a little bit when it comes to getting credit cards or loans every single time you log into this app. But here's the really cool part is that you do get these two actual credit scores to help you go through the process of improving your overall score. Now you can see it's from TransUnion as well as Equifax. And what's cool is if you click on these, they'll actually take you into these sections to kind of give you a nice breakdown of the different things that cause your credit to appear the way it is. So you see your payment history, your utilization, any marks on your account as well. But here's what's great. You also do get your quick access to your full credit report, which obviously you can get for free already, but this also has it here for you. So you can check out anything, make any kind of disputes that you see that are wrong on your account. And then if you go back to the other option, you can again see it from a different perspective to see if there's any major differences, if anybody's accidentally using your card, or if there is anything that is being shown up on your account that shouldn't be. Now, like I mentioned, the big caveat to this is that when you go into these sections of the app, it will be recommending a lot of cards. So that is going to be a factor for you. Obviously, if that's what you're looking for, that is a nice bonus, but you can get a little inundated when it comes to the overall cards. So just something to keep in mind when going through this. So you can go over here and see all of your cards all together, which is really nice. Same thing for all of your loans, which is also a great thing. And then they also do have sections for insurance. If you want to go ahead and find a policy or add your policy in here, kind of has everything in one for you there. And then they do have the Credit Karma Money. As you can see here, I don't currently have it. I do plan on opening an account to test everything out, but you will have the opportunity to essentially have an account with them as well. So you could do some spending, you could do some saving as well directly in the Credit Karma app. Now, again, just for the personal use that I have this for, it's mainly for my actual credit scores, seeing how they're doing right now, making sure that they are not being utilized without my authority, and making sure that things are looking good on a regular basis. I honestly think this is one of the easiest and fastest ways for me to check up on my credit score, and I think it could definitely do the same for you. So of course, you can always check them out if you want to go ahead and download the app and start utilizing it. Now, if you by any chance are learning more when it comes to making sure you understand your credit score better, we got you covered. Check our next video right over here on screen to learn more about credit scores.